I wanted to show you how to work with private hosted zones via Route 53. So in my AWS console, and I'm on Route 53, and I'm going to create a new zone. I'll call this test the local, and I'm going to use private hosted zone. I'm going to use the region. I'm using Frankfurt and the VPC. I'm going to create this new private zone. Now I have it, test the local. Let's create a new EC2 instance. I'm going to test it, call this also test. Use Ubuntu. I'm going to choose this demo key and default security group. I'm going to launch this instance. Okay, now I'm going to go to my code editor, let's clear the screen. Sorry. Okay, now I'm going to the EC2 instance machine. If I do ping for anything, it won't work. Like I need to, let's say, ns lookup test.local. Obviously, it's not gonna find anything. We need to add a host. So let's do that. Let's go back to the hosted um, zone. We'll create something here. Let's call this test tracker. Let's call this EC2. And I'll add here an address. Doesn't really matter. 1.1. Great. Okay, now if I'm going to ping EC2, sorry. Now I'm going to do lookup EC2.test.local. Nothing comes up. So what we need to do, we need to add this in order to use that private DNS. So let's edit the net plan. And I'm going to add this with the DNS address of the DNS server. That's 2 at the end. And I'm going to link this to resolve.conf. And now let's try this lookup. As you can see, we have the address resolved from our DNS EC2 test.local. So this part is pretty simple. Just edit the net plan, add this address, which is always the number 2 is always the DNS address. So this is my VPC CIDR address. Okay, so and added the number 2 for the DNS. So this how it works, and obviously you can add as many as you like and use private DNS.